Mega Email Kit Review. Hey there, Click to Rich Fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tips and reviews to help you click to Rich. Today, we've got something special for you, the Mega Email Kit. You won't want to miss this, so let's dive in. All right, let's get down to business.
A mega collections of email swipes that you can copy, paste, and blast to your list to make huge affiliate commissions without lifting your finger. Get immediate access to download 977 plus high-quality email swipes in the hottest niches. Copy, paste, and blast the swipes to make insane profits promoting your own or affiliate products. These high-converting swipes have made over $2 million with literally no hard work. You have absolute rights to modify the swipes to get more conversions and sales. Plus, you get lifetime use of the email swipes without any additional cost. As a bonus, you'll also receive my exclusive video course on email marketing. And another bonus, my exclusive video course on how to warm up your email account before sending cold emails, along with 10 warm-up email swipes. But that's not all. You'll also get 100 high-converting subscribers from the MMO email list as a giveaway. I just paid $18K for these email swipes that earned me over $2 million. But you can have them for peanuts if you take action now, said the reference material.